everybody? Happy Vlogmas Day 11. We have a fun day and I am so excited. I was so excited I actually went out and got my nails done today. I was getting this red sparkly color and the nail tech was like, oh, do you want me to add a snowflake? And I said, of course I do, sure, go ahead. So they are so cute and fun and festive, which is perfect because if you've been watching my last couple of videos, I have mentioned some very exciting things that are happening here on the vlog, and today is day one of Susan's Secret Santa. So my husband, sister, and I sat down and we decided on 12 fun gifts that I think you are going to really enjoy. So in today's video, this is actually going to be entry number one or giveaway number one. So there's going to be a few things you'll need to do. But first, let me tell you the prizes. There are 12 of them, so I'm gonna run through them pretty quickly, but I think you're going to really enjoy them. So here they are. Prize number one is a $100 gift card to Target, so you can buy whatever you would like. Gift number two is a $75 Starbucks gift card and a mug from Anthro that looks like this. If for some reason you don't like this mug, I will grab you another one from Anthropologie, but I thought this one was so cute. Gift number three is going to be a lifetime membership to any one of my SJT clubs. And right now I have a writing club, a reading club, and a literacy club that you can choose from. And if you are already a member, I will reimburse a full year's worth and then let you, continue to be a member forever. So it is a lifetime membership plus a $75 gift card to TPT, so you can buy whatever you would like. Gift number four in my Secret Santa giveaway is a pair of AirPods. No explanation needed. I love wireless headphones and these are great, so there we go. Next, we have a $100 Lakeshore gift card, so you can buy whatever you would like from Lakeshore Learning. Next up is going to be a fun one for either your classroom or for your own house. Feel free to use it how you would like, but this is a classroom bookshelf display. I love switching these up seasonally for different books, so my kids get excited every time I kind of change the theme out. Next up, we have these teacher lanyards right here, so you can pick whatever one you like. They are so adorable, so you can pick which theme you'd like. And then a $75 gift card to Etsy as well, so you can support some small businesses and find something you like over there. Next up, we have this Nespresso coffee machine. I thought this would be a great one to make your coffee in the morning just a little bit easier for you. Another teacher favorite, we have the personal laminator. So here you are going to get a personal laminator plus the pouches, plus a $50 Amazon gift card. Gift number 10 is going to be a Barefoot Dreams blanket. These are some of my favorite blankets. They are so cozy. I have a bunch of them around the house and they're just so like buttery, soft and warm. So you're going to get that plus a $50 Amazon gift card. All right, number 11 is a mix of a few of my favorite things. I have this YETI tumbler cup right here, which I love, a Capri blue candle, which is a nice big candle that smells amazing, and also a $50 gift card to either Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks, so a coffee gift card. And last but not least, I have these eye patches right here. These are like silly expensive, but I tell you, they feel so good under your eyes. So it is going to be that plus a $75 gift card to Sephora or Ulta. You can choose, I don't know which one you might have near you. And if you are unaware, at Sephora and Ulta, it's not just makeup. You can get hair stuff, beauty stuff, skincare, anything like that. So you can take a look and purchase it yourself. Okay, since this is a Secret Santa, the way this is going to work is I'm going to write down each of these prizes on these papers right here. They're currently just blank green construction paper. Then I'm going to shuffle them all up and randomly put them in these numbered envelopes that my husband got. So they each have a number, and then if you win on day one, I will announce your name on the video and I will open up whatever the prize is. So I won't know ahead of time, you won't know ahead of time, and it'll be a fun little surprise. So let me write down all the prizes right now and get started. And voila. So this is going to be the Susan's Secret Santa board. Each of the prizes are randomly in there. I have no idea which is which. So this is how you can enter. Each day of Vlogmas from this video on, I'm going to ask you a Susan Secret Santa question, and you have to answer that question in the comments. Now there's also going to be a very quick Google form in the description of this video, and I'll put it in the description of all my videos, but you have to fill that out just one time while you enter, and that just tells me I can match up your name with the comment, and then if you're the winner, I can quickly email you to get you your prizes right away. So you will have to answer the question that I ask in the video, and then you will have to fill out that Google form at least once. So as long as you fill it out once, you can enter every single day for the rest of this little giveaway, but you do have to fill it out so I can contact you. So today's Susan Secret Santa giveaway question is, what are you teaching in math right now? So what skill are you teaching in math right now? Drop it down in the comments and be sure to fill out that Google form, and good luck. Okay, so what's going to happen now is in my next video, which I'm filming tomorrow, I'm going to pick a winner. And actually tomorrow is a 2-day video, so it's going to happen each real day. I'll pick a winner. Sometimes my Vlogmas videos, they'll combine 2 days in one. So on those videos, I'll actually announce 2 winners. And like I said, don't worry, I'm gonna email you all of these directions so you know how to play along. But all you really have to do is follow along with each of the rest of my days of Vlogmas videos, and you can enter to win and see if you won. As for the rest of my day, I don't know if you watched last week's vlogs, but I still have 2 videos that I need to get out that are my main like Thursday and Sunday content videos. I am doing one on New Year's Eve activities you can do in the classroom, and I have a fun math activity that I'm gonna make for you guys, a freebie. And I'm also doing, my last video of the year will be December 30th, I think it'll go out. Let me check. Yes, Thursday, December 30th, and that is going to be a top 5 of 2021. So I'm sharing my top 5 books I read, top 5 TV shows I watched, top 5 videos that were watched on YouTube from my channel, and I'm going to share top 5 products that were sold from my store this past year. I'm gonna plan those out and get to filming before the boys get home from school, because tonight we are watching Elf, one of my favorite holiday movies. So we are going to watch Elf, and yeah, that's the day. So that is the plan. I will check in a little bit. So I'm gonna be careful getting them. You place them like this.
Like cookie dough.
Yeah, like cookie dough. Hot cocoa on Fridays. We're gonna watch a movie? What movie are we gonna watch?
Elf.
How many more minutes? They'll be ready soon. The boys are back from school. They're enjoying a little hot cocoa, and we're waiting for our cookies to be done before our movie night tonight. I wanted to show you what I am making for dinner. I found these at Market Basket when I was there earlier. They are, looks like spinach and artichoke stuffed chicken breast. So I'm going to bake that up. That sounds interesting to me. Oh, and then I have this kit from Trader Joe's that I got. If you saw my Trader Joe's video, you'll know that I got this. Let me show you what it is. It's this Brussels sprout kit. So it's a saute kit that you simply throw in a pan, and it has Brussels sprouts, hazelnuts, Parmesan cheese, and a lemon garlic vinaigrette. It is so good. So I'm gonna make that with the chicken. And then I also have this right here that I'm going to chop up some potatoes, and you can use it for like a French onion dip, but you can also just with olive oil and sprinkle this on top, and it makes super flavorful onion potatoes. So that's what I'm going to make tonight. And another one?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
I'll like 4.
Well, let's start with 2. Should we call Theo and see if he wants some? Good.
I want 2.
Please?
Please. 1. And not 2.
Taste test.
Oh, that's
Delicious. We just finished eating dinner. That was absolutely delicious. And then we quickly cleaned up because we are going to watch the movie Elf. It is one of my favorite Christmas movies. The boys have never seen it, so I can't wait for them to enjoy it, hopefully. That's it for the rest of the night, so I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye. Make sure you entered the giveaway by commenting, liking, and subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.